What kind of perfume? Is it? Is it? Is it? Pick it up. Guys. My teeth have a people in cherry. Hey guys, all fruits ripe. Shake the cherry tree. A cherry is there for you and me. Guys, listen. Everything ripe up. Everything ready to go. There's a link here. Click on that link. Join us today to get your items shipped from overseas and delivered to your doorstep here in Jamaica. But there's one problem, guys. If you have fruit trees at the front of your yard, there's somebody who will go around and pick them off. I know me. Guys, what's up? We are here on the delivery trail. I am your friendly shipper. Ship your packages from overseas and get them delivered to your doorstep here in Jamaica. Alright guys, you have been seeing a lot of videos and you're stubborn, you don't want to sign up. I don't know what's wrong with you. We're giving you your first package shipped for free. Your first item on a £5 shipped for free, so you can try us out. You don't have nothing to lose. So go ahead, click on the link, join us today. Get your items shipped from overseas and delivered to your doorstep here in Jamaica. And as I said, the only problem you're going to have is that you're going to pick some of your fruits and when we come to your yard. That's how you go. Alright, catch you guys later. Bye. We're on the delivery trail, guys. Take care of yourself. See you later.